Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to be showing you 3 different cocktail table looks here, and starting with the actual size of the cocktail table. This is very important. Here we're using a 42-inch height of our cocktail table and a 30-inch in diameter. So you find the height of your cocktail table, multiply it by 2, and then add in the diameter of the actual cocktail table. So it's going to be 42 times 2 plus 30 inches for the diameter, and that's going to give you, at least you need that for the tablecloth to fit all the way or flow all the way to the floor. This is important because it really is going to depend on what kind of tablecloth you're going to be using. If you want a tablecloth much like our look number 1, you're just going to need a tablecloth by doing this simple calculation. So with this one, we used our 54 by 54 inch sequin tablecloth overlay. Very simplistic, however, because of the sequins and how the light really ricochets off the overlay, it looks beautiful in any kind of event setting, and you are just covered with a lot of simplicity there. So look number 2, we're using a little bit larger tablecloth here. We're using a 132 inch white polyester tablecloth and this curly chair sash. The reason why you're using a longer tablecloth is because we're cinching in the top of the tablecloth, kind of like a necktie with this table sash. So obviously that's going to make the tablecloth rise a few inches from the floor, but we're preventing from actually seeing the legs of the cocktail table. So that's why you definitely want to make sure you have the dimensions of the cocktail table so you have that seamless, flawless look that flows really nicely all the way to the floor. So look number 3, we're using a little bit more detail here, and once again, a little bit larger polyester tablecloth. This is 132 inches as well, and we're using a much larger champagne crinkle taffeta overlay, which is 90 by 90. An overlay is a complete square and it's got 4 corners, so you want to bring 3 of those corners forward, and 1 corner is basically just kind of seamlessly flowing to the floor there. You're not going to touch that, but those 3 corners, you're going to basically curl in the excess of the actual overlay underneath, so it makes a really kind of clean neck there where the white and the champagne marry together on the actual look. So just take a simple ribbon there, tie it all together in the front, and now we're going to cover that front part with our 16-inch turquoise foam flower. These are gorgeous, especially in real life, and let me tell you, such a great investment because you can use these flowers over and over again. Here we're pinning it to the actual overlay there, and it also has kind of a sticky side in the back to make sure the flower doesn't fall off, but you can just stay with this 1 flower, or you can go that extra mile, and we use 2 of our 8-inch ivory foam flowers. I love this because it has that kind of cascading flower look all the way to the floor. Everything is really seamless and great with these flowers because they're much better than the paper ones. You can use them over and over and over again, and they look absolutely flawless. So there you go. There's your 3 looks depending on what kind of event that you have. If you want us to show you more looks, a little bit more design, maybe you have a specific event that you're trying to contemplate what you're going to do with your cocktail tables, make sure you comment below and let us know. We're definitely happy to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.